Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. So today, I'm going to demo the new technique and safest way to clean the earwax. I think cotton buds, it's very bad to clean the ears because every time you clean the cotton buds to the ears, is the airwax. We keep pushing the airwax inside. So the one I show you is this is already in the market since I think years ago or maybe 2 years, because I have this I have that order I think years ago, but I never use it. So today I'm going to demo how to use it and I'm gonna show you. So this is the one here. If you can see that's there. So that there I already put in here. See that there? You can remove that out. You can clean it. You can sterilize it after using. So I have already put, because I'm going to demo, this is already sterilized. And I have extra here. It's 15 pieces the extra and 16 with the other one here. So this is already sterilized. Actually, I sterilized all those together already. So I'm going to show you how to clean the proper way with your ears, even earwax. This is really good, guys. So that's why I'm going to show you. So if you didn't, it's better way than the cotton buds, because the cotton buds is a bad way because you keep pushing your earwax to the ears. So this is the best because you twisting your dirt in the ears like this way, and then you just pull it out, so you can see actually all the dirt is coming out through in there. So I'm going to show you. I'm gonna call my daughter to show you how I clean her ears, and I show you how it come out in here. Okay, so I'm going to call her Lani Katrini. So now I'm going to show you how to use this to clean your ears. So you just go into the ears and you start to keep twisting. See, you just keep twisting like that way. Okay, so I let it open away with the ears. Okay, and just now. Oh, actually it's not that bad. If you can see, you can see the dirt there. It's not bad, but it's not bad. So we go again. Okay, just keep twisting like the way. Now from outside, slowly keep twisting and keep coming in, because the ears will be touching in here. So if you want to get deeper, the ears touching in here. But if you want not to go deeper, even just in here, but even you go deeper, is still safe. So because she is only small, so I don't want to go deeper. But it's like, if you can see, it's like we can do deeper than that if you want to, you know. So it's not bad, her ears. It's not bad. And then when you finish, see this one here, you just remove this out like this. There, see, just like that. And then you can clean this. You can brush it with the old brush. If you have old brush, just brush it, and then you sanitize it with hot water, hot salted water. So that's really the best, and that's really brilliant to use it. So I hope you like my video today, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.